elders, I greet you. When our king passed on, my uncle, Raymond's father, was supposed to succeed me. But unfortunately, an accident occurred. We all know the story. And he passed on too. May his soul rest in perfect peace. Now, the crown is left for Raymond and I in the family. And I am the eldest. My elders, I am confused. Because I don't know why Raymond, who is the youngest, my younger brother, will be crowned king when I'm still alive. Please, with due respect, I demand an explanation. Thank you very much.
Thank you, my son.
My elders, I greet you all. Oh no, before I proceed, permit me to ask Michael a question.
Go ahead.
Michael, can you tell me why my father was supposed to take the crown after our great king passed on?
You're a madman. Raymond, I said you're a madman for asking me such a relevant question. Are we in the law court?
Michael, you must answer that question.
And I said I will not answer no.
You must answer it. Oh, no, Kobe. I disagree with you. We are not in the law court. Why must he answer?
Okay, let me answer it for him because it's obvious he cannot answer it because he doesn't know it. You can't give what you do not have. Michael, it was structured that way because our great king did not have a son. Okay? Assuming he had a son, his son would have become king. It's very simple. So because he didn't have a son, it fell on my father to be king. Okay? Unfortunately, my father also passed away. It fell on my father's son, which is me. Okay? My father had a son before he died. And a rich son.
Oh, yes.
Very important.
Oh.
Rich. Onye jife. That can do what is required of the person to do. Rich. So tell me, considering how this thing has been structured, why shouldn't that thing which was left for my father to take not be given to me? Tell me.
Raymond, this matter is very simple. Let us stop twisting it about. Just like Okoye here said, we are not in the law court. But let me educate you. Your father was supposed to be crowned as Dikeh, but he was not crowned. That denies you the opportunity to climb this throne. That is the tradition of this community. And every one of us here knows it. So why are we dragging it? Oh no, we'll tell him the truth.
It is not true. The son of Ekweme here is supposed to wear the crown. That is the truth. You should understand it that way.
Very simple. Very simple.
Onukube. Onukube. Bacharayagi. Oh no. You know me very well. You know I'm an upright person.
Yes.
I left the other day because I didn't want to involve myself in injustice. We need to be very, very careful in whatever we say or do in this matter. If not, we will incur the wrath of the gods. So we have to be very careful, no?
Now tell us your opinion.
Yes. See, it's not a question of my opinion. Far from it. It's a question of tradition.
Yes.
And according to tradition, Raymond is not supposed to ascend the throne. That is it.
Mbano.
Etiko, why do you hate me so much? Huh? Why are you against me? What have I done to you?
Raymond, I am not against you. Far from it. What I am doing here is that I'm following tradition.
Then tell him the truth. If you're following tradition, tell him the truth.
And the truth is, you are not the right person to ascend that throne. Because you are younger than him.
Bam.
Simple.
Odemma. Let me remind all of you here that I am the traditional prime minister of this kingdom.
Oh, yes.
I am the regent. So I am supposed to teach you people tradition.
Lies. Oh no. I said lies!
Will you shut up that you bloody fool man?
I will not shut up! I won't shut my mouth until you tell the truth in this community.
Then I'll have no option than to summon the guards to throw you out.
Nobody can touch me.
You're daring me?
I am pointing at you, no. Nobody can touch me.
Guards! Nobody!
No.
Guards!
No.
Take this thing out of this place.
Don't!
Michael. Michael.
Raymond, leave my training. I'll kill someone. I'm telling you.
Who is there? Where's your father?
He's not around.
Good. Your father is a very useless man. You heard me? Your father is a very useless no. If I get pin for your mouth again, I will use your face to scrub this floor until no one recognizes you. You hear me? Now tell your father. Tell him to crown the right person. Else, you will shed tears for him. Don't worry. By the time it happens, you know what I'm talking about. Tell your father. Tell him that if he doesn't crown me, Michael, as the king versus Yoruba community, this community shall be at war. And I will start with him. I've told you. That reminds me. Tell him. Tell him that I came today, I came in peace. And the next time I will come here, it will be bloody. The Yoruba community will never know peace until I'm crowned king.
Onyobudu, go ahead. Do anything you have to do to claim what belongs to you. By fire, by force, by violence, by enemies. Claim it.
Onyobudu, you are the one wasting time. Strike this thing anyhow you can. By fire, by force, by anything. We are solidly behind you. Don't waste time. There's no time. Ogadoro.
I will. I told Onobu's daughter to tell the father that if I am not crowned king, nobody will sit on that throne.
That is it. Yes.
This community will burn. I told her she will relay the message to her father.
You see that, Ono? I've always known that he's an evil man. He's an evil man. But bet me, within the shortest period, that man will meet his Waterloo.
Yes.
Not quite long from now. Just watch.
Onobu is too small now. Onobu is too small to handle. He's too small.
Onyobudu, handle no. That's what I'm waiting for. Cut off his head. Bury him alive. Do whatever you can. Do anything to know. I'm with you.
Two of us are solidly.
Onobu cannot defeat all of us in this village.
Go ahead.
Let's deal with him.
I'm just waiting for the next meeting. At the end of the next meeting, if you people don't arrive on a reasonable conclusion, I will strike.
strike. Strike.
I don't see that man backing out, so be prepared. Okay? Be prepared and strike. We are behind you.
We are members of the cabinet. Oh no, who cannot defeat all of us? What sort of rubbish is all this?
Rubbish.
Let's go.
All right. Thank you very much.
Michael is the rightful person for that throne. So why are they dragging it? Adeze Onowu is surprising me. He knows the truth. I don't know why he's not saying it. Can't you do something about it? What I'm doing now is the only thing I can do. Onowu is the acting king.
That means the whole of Ezioba would have been history if he were actually the king.
A community your father fought so hard for.
I don't know who's trying so hard to tear it apart.
No, I won't let him. As far as this community is concerned, I won't let him.
Mother, please do something. You must do everything within your powers to make sure Michael is crowned the king, since it is his right.
Adeze, I am solidly behind him. Don't bother yourself, okay?
Okay.
The right thing will be done. Just calm down.
Do you know why I called you? I called you because I know you can do something over this matter. Talk to your brother. Tell him to leave the crown for Michael. I heard Michael is meant to be the king. Tell him to stop misusing his money in our village. He should use his money for good. He should help the poor, the less privileged, the motherless babies. He should stop using his money to cause trouble for us in this community. Janet, you are a beautiful girl with a bright future. And if this case goes beyond this, it might affect you as a woman.
I don't understand what you mean by it might affect me as a woman.
Don't you have plans to get married?
Of course I do.
That is the area I'm talking about.
Adeze, tell your mother, the queen, to say the truth. Yes, because she knows the truth.
How?
Let her tell the cabinet who is supposed to be crowned king.
I beg your pardon. What are you trying to say?
I am trying to say that your mother knows the truth. So let her say it and end this whole quarrel. Excuse me.
I want to use it to say thank you for your efforts so far. I appreciate it.
Oh, thank you very much. May the gods of our land will never forsake you.
And I'm saying that whosoever wants to take what rightly belongs to you should embrace that. And know ye that we are solidly behind you.
Good. I have seen that already. I've seen that, and I'm proud of both of you. Oh no, that is just a token. Yes, as you keep doing work involved.
Yes.
I'll keep doing mine. Bye.
Raymond, we called you to inform you that we'll be holding our meeting in the next market day. That is the day we have decided to put arrangements in plan to crown you the king.
Yes, and as you are coming, buy cola nut and lots of palm wine.
I like that.
Oh, yeah.
Exactly what I've always wanted to hear. I like that. I'll buy anything you want me to buy. Huh? Still want to add anything to the list, let me know. Listen, I am proud of both of you. And I know that the gods of this land will reward you, protect you, and guide you all the days of your lives.
And one more thing. Be careful. Don't get close to people, especially Lola.
I know. No, I'm not a child. I already know she does not like me. But I'll always be careful. She cannot harm me. It's not possible. Nobody can harm me. Nobody.
Hold him, oh. It's just because it's my cousin now where I get it. Hold, it's not as if I'm running, no. Hold that boy. Pass me, just because of blood that runs in our veins, I will kill you on this boy. In a family, mama. Because of blood that runs in our veins, this boy. Where is he? What did you talk to?
Stop it! Come back here! Michael!
Why do you know who?
You are a guard, so stop hiding between me.
I'm a guard. So who are you? If I'm a guard, then you are a maid. So what a guard can do, a maid can do also.
Look at the way you are running for your fellow man.
Yes. Me running. I can't run. I'm just moving around to take the environment that everywhere is calm. So I'm here to make sure that you are okay. Are you okay?
Francis. Oh no! Come face your fellow man! Come face your fellow man!
Me afraid of who? That small thing. If I see him, if you see me in battle, I will kill that. Stay out of this. I want to put a stop to this nonsense once and for all.
Oh, Michael, just take it easy. We cannot achieve this thing. This is not the best way to achieve this.
Okoye, I will achieve it any way I want to. And there's nothing enough you can do about it.
Michael, listen, let me tell you. If you do this and kill somebody, you can never be king again.
Lies! I will kill Raymond and I will still be king. And if any of you cross my path, I swear, I will kill you too. Yes.
Are you both watching him?
What nonsense! Who is Raymond compared to who I am? Can he spell his name correctly? Oh, because he has money. No. Good. I will cut off somebody's head today.
Michael, are you watching him? Please. Follow him. He's going to kill somebody.
If you want to kill somebody, let him kill you, no. Let him kill you, no.
I support you. He should kill or no.
He's not. Oh God, oh my God.
If you want to cause this. Raymond! 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 There's Raymond! Come! Call Raymond for me! Let me show him the stuff I'm made of! Let it come as if he's a man! Let it come out! Where is he? Where is he? Come out! Step back if you call yourself a man! Let me show you! You are locking the door, eh? You are locking the door! You think you should save Raymond? Raymond! 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 If you are there and you're hearing my voice, come out! Come out! Come out! Come out! Come out! Come out! Ah! Oh! Ah! Come out! Come out!
Is he gone? Hey, he's no longer here. Come out. Hey, please, are you sure? What sort of rubbish is this?
They could me drum mine.
Just take a look at it.
It's not fair now. Rose, please call your husband. Why anything there may be? Before that boy comes back to kill us.
It's becoming too much.
I don't know. Or sure by force.
It is high time you stopped this nonsense. Just call your husband. No, just take a look at it.
Janet, please, go and raise that rubber. Biko, save the rubber first.
This thing is becoming too much. What kind of rubbish is this? How can you come to someone's house and be shouting like a madman? Is he mad? What has to be done?
Mr. Man, I'm Inspector Jude from the state CID. You're under arrest. And mind you, whatsoever you say or do here will be used against you in the court of law.
Officer, what did my son do? Raymond!
Let him be. Just let him be. Officer, cuff me.
Keep your hand down, Mama!
Raymond, you asked the police to arrest me for what is rightfully mine. No problem. I'll go. But pray I don't return. Because if I do, Raymond, if I do, I swear by the gods of his Yoruba community, I will spill your blood.
Raymond!
Yeah.
No, I'm going with you.
Didn't you hear what he said? Arrest this monkey.
Yes, I said what I said. I meant it and I will do it. It's a promise.
Brother, no.
Raymond, it's a promise.
No, let them take me. No.
Let them take me.
I'm going with you. No.
God.
What did you say happened?
No. My son has been arrested.
Arrested by who?
Raymond came with some policemen and took him away.
Mother, what kind of nonsense is that?
Adeze, go upstairs and get me my phone.
Yes, mother.
Lolo, help me. Raymond.
It's okay. Nothing will happen to your son. They didn't release him.
Why?
They say they cannot release him, that he will be useful for their investigation.
Even at that, mother. They shouldn't have refused to grant him bail. This is pure intimidation.
Exactly what I told the DPO. Before he showed me a letter that was passed through a court that they should detain him until they're done with the investigation.
So when would they be through with their investigation?
Sweetheart, I don't know. I called the commissioner, his phone is switched off. But don't worry, I'll still get through to him. Francis.
Yes, Your Highness.
Come here.
Yeah?
I don't want you to open this gate for anybody. No elder, no onowu, nobody. Until you seek for my consent. Is that right?
No elder. No.
Sweetheart, let's go in.
Madam, we are here to execute the search warrant.
Michael, what's going on?
Raymond told the police that I'm a thief.
It's a lie. My son is not a thief.
He told them that I'm in possession of a gun.
It's a liar. It's a liar. My brother is not a thief. Officer, my husband is not a thief.
My friend. Okay, oh yeah, let's go inside. Let's go.
Let's go and do what we do.
Mama, because of this issue that they're doing all this. I tell you. Mama, Raymond surprised me. Oh. Mama, you know since this case started, I've not said anything. Raymond is pushing me, Mama. He is pushing me. I don't want to show my real color, Mama. I don't want to do that. Hey, Raymond changed totally. Eh? Tell me, you cannot predict human being, no? Exactly. Hey, this is called allegation. This is called allegation. Hey. This is called allegation. Hey, brother.
Obi, did they find anything? Huh? Talk to me.
No, they didn't.
My husband's not a thief.
What's her name?
She should be in the palace. Don't worry. She has never relented since you were arrested.
Okay, please tell her that they brought me home.
You people are wasting my time here. My friend, walk him out of this place. Let's get out of here.
My brother is not a thief.
Match him out of this place, my friend. Match him out of this place.
Officer, you didn't find anything. What this thing you people are doing is not good though. It's not good though.
Please.
You didn't find anything. You didn't find anything. Leave my husband alone. You didn't find anything. I'm not a thief. Mama, my husband is not a thief.
Trust my husband. He made sure he secured all the lands.
My brother. My brother. Yeah. Okay, my brother.
But at the end of the day, they are now begging. And I just because Allah.
So you people are here eating while my husband is in cell suffering.
Look at them. Jinsus. Foolish people.
Hey, my sister. You know those two mad women in the form? They are just visitors.
Can you imagine? I will deal with you to the one nonsense. Are you mad now, Paula? Are you crazy?
Open your mouth! You must eat this right!
Okay. Okay, so you actually sent your daughter and your daughter-in-law to come and throw away my food, fight my daughters and my daughter-in-law. How can you get to see them from you? So him,
You met Rumaka?
Yes.
You met Rumaka?
Do your worst. Do your worst. Do your worst. Do your worst. I said do your worst. Do your worst. Do your worst. Okay.
I want a clean job. Very clean job. Leave no traces. What did I say?
Leave no traces, sir.
That's your part payment. Once you're done, deliver a clean job, you get your balance. Okay?
We are professionals. Consider it a well-done job, sir.
If anything goes wrong, I do not know you people. You do not know me. Is that clear?
No shaking, sir.
My friend, open. We are the ones.
No, Lolo said I shouldn't open the gate for anybody.
Even the cabinet members on meeting?
She said anybody, so anybody is anybody.
Okay, go and tell her that we are here for the meeting earlier scheduled for today.
Yes.
Okay.
When did this locking of gate start? I don't understand it. I'm surprised myself.
We are here for cabinet meeting and they are locking the gate against us?
I don't understand it. There's something fishy. Let's wait for him.
Let him
fishy.
come back.
Let him come
back.
Open.
Please, I'm sorry. She said I should never, ever open the gate for anybody.
Even the chiefs that came for meeting?
Chief, I'm sorry. She said I shouldn't try it. Please.
Chere, did you tell her that I am among the elders?
In fact, I told her that you are here and the other elder is also here. But she said if I try it, so please, my job is at stake, I beg. Please. Please.
Hey.
Thank you.
What is all this?
Even hearing that I am among the elders.
I don't understand it. Has it got into this? Hey, there is more to this.
Wait, let me call her.
What is it?
It's switched off.
Which means it's deliberate. She don't want to see us.
Oh, yes. Why are you people standing here?
Oh no, the guard told us that there was instruction from the law that he should not open the gate for anybody, including us, the chief that have meeting here.
What nonsense. What an insult. This is a royal insult. It is wrong. Elders of this land, oh no, will give me the order. Let me break down this gate and we go inside.
Calm down.
Who be that now? Okay, open this gate.
Ready? Oh no, Dala.
Open the gate. I want to see the gate.
Oh no, please. Lolo said I shouldn't open the gate for anybody. Please.
Tell her I want to see her.
Okay.
Oh no, why are we wasting time? I have boys. Just one call, they will break down this gate and we go into. What sort of insult is this? How can a woman, Lord, or a woman be giving orders in this palace? This is no longer her palace. She can't be giving orders here. Let's break down this gate.
It's high time we knew our positions in this palace.
I think you are right. She needs to know that she has no right to lock out members of the cabinet, including the acting king of Esiaba Kingdom.
This is a sacrilege.
If you come in here again, I will throw you out of this palace. Are you mad? Are you stupid? Go out there and tell them there will be no meeting in this palace until Michael is bailed out. Did you hear me?
Until Michael is bailed out.
Go and tell them.
Okay. Until Michael is bailed out. Until Michael is bailed out. Until Michael is bailed out. Oh no, please. Lolo said that, in fact, she said unless Michael is granted bail, I shouldn't open the gate for anybody. Please. My work is at stake.
Meaning?
Oh no, will give me the order. I have voice. I will call my voice. In a few minutes, this gate will go down. I am finding my back.
Raymond, let's go.
No. Want us to go?
Let's go and hold the meeting in my house.
Oh,
yes.
Biko, my car cannot contain you people. Please, it's not this kind of car, Biko. No. Go up there. Go to the junction there. You see taxis or keke or okada. Take any of them. It's cheap. You trek. Man, don't touch shift. Don't touch this car.
Hello, sir. Yes, sir. Commissioner did what? Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, what is your suggestion now? Okay, sir. All right. What? Dipio called.
He said that this man should be granted bail this night or tomorrow morning. I don't get it. Is he aware that we wanted to escort this man? No, I don't think so.
So Raymond could go this extra mile to eliminate me. Because of kingship. But I strongly believe the gods of our land will protect me. I will not die. No, I will not die.
What if we've escorted him? It will be so dangerous. Very, very dangerous. Get him. Let's take him back.
Now, yes.
Lola and Okoye, you are welcome once again.
Thank you, Mr.
Hey. Lola and Okoye, ije ọnụ na-adị m ama na ọ bụrụ ije ọjọọ maka ọbịa bụ onye abịa bụkwana ya
ise
ọ na-anakwa May the gods of our land guide and protect us all in all our endeavors. Okoye, come and collect cola.
Thank you, Isiobi.
You're welcome once again.
No, Isiobi.
No.
We came here to make an important inquiry as the elders in this community. After my husband's death, his brother Ikweme was supposed to take over the throne. But unfortunately, we lost him in an accident. Then Ibekwe, his younger brother, was supposed to take after him. But we lost both of them in that same accident. Both of them have sons. So we are here to ask, among these two sons, who is supposed to take over the throne?
May the souls of the dead rest in peace. Among the two families, who is the eldest?
Raymond's father. Ekweme.
That was the father of the one who was supposed to take the throne when your husband traveled.
Yes.
And who is the other one?
Michael, Ibekwe's son.
And Michael is the eldest?
Yes,
The issue is complicated, but Michael, traditionally, is the rightful person to take the throne.
Hi.
Please.
Nai, thank you so much for this clarification.
Onyesiobi, thank you so very much. In fact, I am so elated, so happy about this clarification you've just given us.
Thank you.
However, we have to consult Ezemo to be sure. Tell Onowu that I want to see him today or tomorrow.
Onyesiobi, as we speak, Ezemo is seriously sick.
Ezemo cannot be sick. Tell Onowu that I want to see him here immediately.
I'm going to... Stop, Mama, no! Look at me, I'm the one talking to you. Why are you doing this to us? Why are you doing this? You promised to always listen to me. If you kill Raymond, you will go to jail.
I don't care. I don't care. Mama. I will kill him and spend the rest of my life in
God
jail.
forbid.
Do you know what this boy did? He bribed the police to kill me. Even for Lolo. Do you think you just set your eyes on me?
My son, please give me. Allow the gods of this land to judge them.
I cannot wait for the gods. Which gods?
Ah, my God!
Let me go and kill him!
Let the gods of this land judge them! Look at your wife! I beg you, don't go! I'm talking to you! Brother, why are you doing this to us? Look at Mama, look at your wife! Why are you doing this to us? You want to put us in trouble, brother? Why are you doing this to us, brother? Why? Because of this land judge them!
Look at your mother. Look at your mother. Hey. Brother, for the sake of Mama, for the sake of me.
We are almost approaching where it will take place. When Dikeh called, saying it was an order from Commissioner.
Just like that?
Just like that.
Hi. Lola must be behind this.
Exactly. Yes, I thought as much.
So she messed up the job?
She messed up the whole thing.
Alright, let me have my money then.
Yes. That would be hard though. I must be honest with you.
What do you mean it to be hard?
That would be hard because we've used it.
Used what? Huh? How can you use money when you've not delivered the job? You deliver a job, then the money becomes yours fully. That's when you use it. Let me go mock him, give me my money.
It wasn't our fault, sir. It wasn't our fault.
Nigerian police.
Thank you.
He bribed the police to kill me.
You're not serious.
Lolo. How can I joke with such serious matter? I said Raymond bribed the police to eliminate me. His blood brother. Because of kingship.
Mother, this is getting serious.
Anyway, I came to say thank you. Thank you for your efforts, Lolo. But still, I want to tell you that the story has changed. I mean, the music has changed to a war song. And I am ready to dance to its tune. Thank you.
Sir, come back. Oh, please sit. Just sit down. You have to calm down. Don't go out there and do something stupid.
Raymond has touched the tail of a lion. By going this far, he has touched the tail of a lion.
Onyobodo, Bikono, please, calm down. If you kill someone now, you won't go scot-free.
I'm ready to spend the rest of my life in jail than to see Raymond sit on that throne. Me!
And he will not sit on that throne. But you have to calm down. We went to see Nayonyisi. He said we should call Ono. And Ono should consult Ezemo to look into this matter. So you have to calm down.
Which Ezemo? The one that can neither talk nor walk? Lolo, have you forgotten that Ezemo is paralyzed and can never, it can no longer communicate with the gods? Anyway, I have said my own. The music has changed to a war song. And I, Michael, is ready to dance to his tune. Thank you very much. I'll take my...
It's okay. Get his wife on phone.
Nayonyisi Obi, no, you are welcome. I was told you wanted to see me.
Yes, I wanted to see you. Ifebuchi, please bring cola nut for no. Yes, I wanted to see you. Lolo and Okoye, we were here either yesterday or the day before yesterday. They brought a complaint about Ibekwe's son and Ekweme's son. They wanted to know who amongst the two is the rightful person to wear the crown. I replied them that the matter is complicated. However, traditionally, Ibekwe's son is the rightful person to wear the crown. However, for everybody to be sure that Ezemo should be consulted.
Now, Monsieur, no, it is needless consulting Ezemo because as we speak, Ezemo is seriously sick. He can't even talk.
Ezemo is sick?
I am telling you what I know. He is very, very sick.
Yes, I remember. Yes, Okoye said something like that. But I did not believe him. You know, Ezemo cannot be sick. And you know that too. He cannot be sick.
I am more confused than you.
Oh, gods of our land, what is happening? Have you forsaken us? Please.
My fellow elders, Kedemunu.
Okay.
I am not comfortable with this setting. Yes. The last time we held our cabinet meeting here, I took it because I assumed it was because of the incident that took place at the palace.
Yes.
And that problem has been rectified a long time ago. Now my question is, why are we still holding our cabinet meeting here in Onowu's house?
Okoye, I am the traditional prime minister of this kingdom. I am the Onowu, and by extension, the regent. I am the acting king. So, anywhere I decide the meeting will hold is where it will hold, and you have no right to say no. I said I am the traditional prime minister. Why am I even discussing this? This matter is hereby closed. Meeting will be here until when able.
Thank you, Onowu.
No. Thank God, we now have one house.
Yes.
All of you know that Awezemwa is sick. Seriously sick. He cannot talk. Yeah. He cannot walk. And ever since then, our deity has remained dormant. Nobody is attending to it again.
Oh.
So, Onyisiobi called me and mandated me to get someone who will be helping him to attend to the deity.
Oh, yes.
Until when he will be fit and well again. That's why we are here.
So this is true? Huh? Oh, so this is true? So this is true? You people are holding a cabinet meeting here? In your personal house?
Michael, you've started again. You have started again, Michael.
You thought the police would kill me, right? One name, listen. Kangwagi. Anyone who raises up what belongs to a child must drop it down for the child to pick it up when the time comes.
No, we'll conclude this meeting later.
My friend, you don't walk out on me when I talk to you. I'm your elder brother.
Michael, I've been avoiding having a fight with you because you're my brother. If I decide to fight you, you will not like the outcome. Touch me again. Touch me again.
I will touch you, Raymond, and nothing will happen.
Then touch me again.
And you know, you, I am warning you. I am warning you. You are overstepping your boundary. I am warning you, evil men. I am warning you, evil men. I'm warning you. I'm warning you.
Lolo.
Raymond.
We actually came to see you.
Oh, really? Then let's go inside.
No. We're very busy people. My gorgeous wife has a few words for you. Hello, speak.
Alright. Please, where are the guards? Guards! What about the maidens? Maids? Now listen and listen very attentively. My husband's coronation comes up in 4 days. And I want everywhere in this compound to be kept clean. Failure to do so, you get your asses kicked out of this palace. Am I well understood?
Yes, ma'am.